I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer.
So today's tutorial, I'll be using this hair extension. So this hair extension is from Irresistible Me.
You never change. What's love got to...
So I have packed my hair into bun, okay, and I tied it down so that it can flatten more, because I want it very, very flat. I'm going to leave the link to it on the description box, so if you're interested, don't hesitate to check that out. Okay, so it came with a smaller one. I don't know which one is this one is very small. It's clip in, so you just have to clip this on your hair, so we're going to do that together. And this very one, yeah, nothing more inside this cute bag. You see, there is a ribbon, so this is it. You use this one to attach it to your hair, and there is a comb here. So let me lose this from my hair. I'm just going to clip this into my hair. Okay, I'm going to clip it from the front like this. Okay, and I'll use this. You see that? Just round.
She's too used to be. Your friend said that you left me. I'm glad that's what you believe. So all my ladies who got a brother.
See, it's very, very simple. See that? Wow. This is very simple. So I'll take little of the hair.
That's how you spell goodbye. U-D-L-I. You'll never see me.
Take this one like this. Then I'm going to use it to round the hair. It's so easy. You guys remember this hair straightener? I put it on 220. You can regulate it as you want here in this button here to regulate it to the temperature that you want. So it's from Irresistible Me as well. I reviewed this hair straightener some weeks ago, so I'm going to leave the link on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. Okay.
Want to get to know you, just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to.
So guys, I want to try something. I wish I can cut this into two. It would have been so good. I want to try and pin it somewhere here.
You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like.
You can still use this one to cover that the bun. I think this one is meant for that, to cover the bun. You can just put it at the back and you use it to twist around it. Okay, so I want to coil this thing.
I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
See, I coiled it. I just decided to roll it little. Coil it little. See, it's very, very easy.
Alright, ooh baby, just hold tight. We're up at the moonlight, believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light, believe in the magic, and it can save you from your past. This bond is always gonna last. When nothing else makes sense, just dance. What you gonna do? We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic. We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic. Maybe you got me. Slow ride, just you in that baseline. We're way past sunshine. Believe in the magic. Alright, step into the moonlight. Get into that good time. Believe in the magic, and it can save you from your past. This bond is always gonna last. When nothing else makes sense, just dance. Yeah. What you gonna do?
So guys, that is it for this hair tutorial. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. You can see it's very easy. You can pack it, ponytail anyhow you like it, put your hair in a bun with it. Just clip that, tie it round, and that is it. So I will leave the link to it on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. And also, gorgeous, please, before you go, if you like this hair tutorial, why not subscribe? So, and gorgeous, if you like this hair tutorial, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button? And please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, join the gorgeous family by clicking on that subscribe button and that bell icon. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, stay gorgeous.